Piki mai, kake mai, ho mai te wai o rā TIHI, Māori o rā e. Ka te rā e hara ahau e haere ki te kura, e hara ahau e ki te tamaiti pai. Ka te rā e hara ahau e haere ki te mahi, e hara ahau e ki te tangata pai. Piki mai, kake mai, ho mai te wai o rā TIHI, Māori o rā e. TIHI, Māori o rā, piki mai, kake mai, nau mai, haere mai, āpōpō. One more sleep, tēnā koe, thank you for dropping in. Ko wai koe. Kaore au e kitea, engari mihi ati ki a koe. One more sleep, one more sleep. Hey, a bit about that waiata. Years ago, not too long ago when I was a young fella, I did some correspondence for Te Reo. I was at what do you call a mainstream college in those days before I got kicked out. But I did a bit of correspondence, and I always remember that little waiata the kuia sent me. But yeah, I think it was just about back in those days. I think I just went to school to eat my lunch, and now I'm trying to make up for it. But anyway, nau mai, haere mai, piki mai, kake mai, tomorrow night, te TIHI. Te TIHI will be our free 4-day Reo and Tikanga summit, our summit for our beginners. And even though the summit of that maunga is the peak, but we're going to start at te pūtake o te maunga down the base there, and that's what we're going to be focusing on, is our basics and our fundamentals, and mainly having fun and come along. And this will be pretty much my last shout out for this season coming up, being pipiri and a time to come together, pipiri, and hunker down, hongo ngoi, for the chilly months coming, and haere, turi, kōka, and sit around to the warmth of the reo, and like the plants are clinging on to Mother Earth, to kōka, to papa tuanuku, to get through that season together. So let's come together on Sunday, tomorrow, one more leap, one more sleep, and then this is the good thing about our Matariki or our puanga, and also our Gregorian calendar. We get 2 bites of the cherry. We start things off at the beginning of the year, whether it's our reo goals, our hauora goals, our whatever. And we might have got so far on them, but this is a good start, a good place to restart, and I call it Matariki Reset. So if you're looking to reset your reo goals, your hauora goals, your whatever for the ensuing months going forward, now's the time to get started. Come along, come and join me tomorrow night, tomorrow evening, 7 p.m. Kiwi. Yeah, and as I said, jump out of here. It's all right to jump down here and say, yeah, I'm in. It's like you're not in until you message me. So message me direct, te Umuariki Mei, in Messenger, Facebook. Ka pai tēnā. And I'm just doing the link tonight, our Zoom link, our hui topa, our link for Zoom for tomorrow night. So if you'd like to join me, it's never too late until it is. And then you have to wait another year and say, oh, never mind, I'll start next year. But if you're ready to go now, there's the manu binding us together. Let's finish on that. Whakaronga ki te tangi a te manu a te mā tui nei. Tui ia. Tui ai runga, tui ai raro, tui ai roto, tui ai waho, tui ai te moka o te here tangata. I takia mai, i Hawaiki nui, Hawaiki roa, Hawaiki pāmāmā, ki te hono o ngā wairua, tui ia, TIHI, Māori ora. I'm going to go and wait at my DMs, and I'll see you there. And for those who are waiting for their link, tai hoa, it's coming, it's on its way. Look forward to hearing from you and seeing you guys tomorrow, and bring your A game and your happy faces. Āpōpō. Pō Māori e.